I'm going to show you another way you can use the strategy of making 10 to help you when you're subtracting. Another way to think of it is of how you can break apart the number you're subtracting to help you make 10 easily. In this case, we're taking 15 and subtracting 7. I want to think about how I can break apart the number 7 to get to 10 to help myself make a friendly number to subtract. I know already that 15 minus 5 equals 10. So I want to see if I can break apart the number 7 into a 5 and something else to help myself. If I don't know this already, I can use counters at the bottom. I have 7 counters at the bottom. I know that I want to take away 5. So if I take 5 from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I know that I have 2 left. So if I break apart the 7 into a 5 and a 2, I can take away first just that 5 to make 10. So 15 minus 5, that's a part of that 7, equals 10. Now I wanted to take away 7 originally, and I've only subtracted 5 so far, so I have that 2 that's left. So I know that now my new whole is 10, and I need to subtract those extra 2. So 10 minus 2 is another easy fact for me to do. I know already that that would be 8. So now I know that 15 minus 7 equals 8.